Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Buy 4. Water-resistant IP68, triple camera setup on the backside with an optical image stabilization, 6GB RAM, 3850 mAh battery with fast charging wireless charging available. Beware of no fingerprint sensor, restricted internal storage space. Verdict: Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max is worth all hype with its robust spec sheet. The brand is offering triple cameras on the back, equipped with multifaceted features teamed with 12MP selfie lens. The IP68 water-resistant smartphone gets a standard battery with fast charging and wireless charging support. However, the device does not have a fingerprint sensor and FM radio. Impressive cameras from Apple. Display and camera. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max represents a 6.7-inch OLED display, equipped with a pixel density of 457p. The bezel-less notch display of the smartphone is protected by appropriate screen protection besides 1284 by 2778 pixels of screen resolution. The triple camera setup on the backside of the device includes a 12MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera and another 12MP telephoto shooter. The setup is equipped with features like ISO control, HDR mode, digital zoom, LED flash, exposure compensation, face detection, and more. Configuration and battery. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max bags 6GB RAM accompanied by Apple A14 Bionic chipset, an Apple GPU, 4-core graphics, and a hexa-core 3.1 GHz, dual-core, Firestorm plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Ice Storm processor ensure seamless performance. A 3850 mAh non-replaceable battery powers up Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Li-ion type cell is compatible with fast charging technology and wireless charging. Storage and connectivity. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max exhibits 128GB internal storage which cannot be extended. The device is compatible with connectivity options like Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, NFC, Bluetooth V5.1, a GPS GLONASS, USB Type-C. Users also get access to 5G and 4G networks. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max price is expected to be 135,000 rupees. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max expected to be launched on June 10, 2021. This is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.